All right, welcome back to him and I Woodworking. I know we do a lot of different things on this channel, but here we go again on the motorcycle. I got a Dt100, and yes, this is the same style that we had before, so we know a lot about it, and hopefully can get this one cleaned up and sold. So what I'm going to do first off is take the tank in and see if we can clean it up and shine it up a little bit and get some of that rust off there. We're going to keep the patina look to it and just go from there. All right, so what we're going to use today is some steel wool, the triple, or not the triple, but the quadruple zero, and then also some just regular Dawn dish soap, a little bit of water. All I'm going to do is just put just a little bit of soap in there. All I'm trying to do is get the grime off of there, the bunch of the old stuff that was on there, so we might take that off later. And then I'm just gonna take this over to the hose real quick and wash it all off. So that looks a lot wider. We've got a little rust spot there, and we've got the bare metal there. We just want to keep working that area to get to the bare metal. I don't want to see a lot of that rust there. So what we'll do is just keep on going. All right, so we still have some surface rust right there. If I work it. All right, couldn't get my Dremel working, but I do have the Harbor Freight Chicago Electric 4-speed variables. So what we're gonna do now is just try to take off some of that surface rust. See it. We're definitely getting it down a lot. I went ahead and I went over this again with the steel wool, the quadruple zeros there. And now I'm just going to dry it off. I think it looks pretty good right now. Got a little bit of the rust still on there, but I think we got it enough to hopefully where it'll stop rusting. Now what we're going to do is add a layer of turtle wax to it. See if that shines it up or not. So nice and cool. From a lot of the stuff I've already seen, don't use anything when it's hot. So what we'll do now is I'm not really sure how to do this, but I'm just going to put a big old mound of it on there. Not a whole lot, but just shine her up. Applicate it and get it all on there. directions. I didn't even read the directions how to do it. Wash and dry. Apply on a cool, clean surface. All right. Do not put in direct upon. Apply in small amounts of the product on a damp applicator and spread evenly on one section at a time. This is one section at a time pretty much because it's such a small thing there. So remove any excess with a cloth. Buff lightly for maximum shine. All right, so let's see here. We did everything I think correct. And I got this, we can try to buff with this, but I also have this thing here, this little wheel here. Let's see if we can. And I'm gonna go on low speed. I don't wanna do it very hard, so I got my thing set on low here. We just wanna it got a nice little green shine there now. So we'll go ahead and we'll take a before and after pictures and see what it actually, if it did anything. All right. Let's see the other side.